We're going to show how to remove a red flow restrictor from a Moen shower head. There's a lot of videos online how to remove a green one. The reds are a little more tricky because there aren't the tabs to pull out the flow restrictor. So we're going to first start by drilling a pilot hole in the center of the flow restrictor. You'll notice the rubber washer is still in place. So we're going to drill that hole. Following that, we're going to connect our we're going to take a screw and we're going to put it through that pilot hole. So it's snugly in place. And then we're going to use the back of a hammer, slide it in here, and pop the restrictor out.